What's the meaning of bound? Bound. Bound.
Bound. Bound. The word bound has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One possible meaning of bound is to limit or restrict something within a certain range or area. For example, if we say that a book is bound in leather, this means that the pages of the book are held together and covered by a leather cover. Similarly, if we say that a person is bound by the law, it means that they are restricted in their actions by legal regulations. Overall, the meaning of bound depends on the specific usage and context of the word.